guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melanin Beauty. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are not. So today's video is a hair video. Okay, we're gonna be working with Luvme hair. Let me move the ribbon. Luvme hair. First thing I have to say, this box is luxurious. I love the packaging. I give it a 10 out of 10. Before I start the video, I have to show you the goodies that the hair came with. Of course, it came with 2 wig caps. They always put these wig caps in here. They sent a little bag that the goodies come in. So pretty, so professional, so neat. They gave me a headscarf, Luvme hair, that has Luvme hair on it. I thought this was real cute. They gave me a clip that says Love Me. That's real cute and creative. They gave me an edge brush. Love this. Always need these. They gave me hairpins. Oh, shoot. I didn't see this. They gave me tweezers. I did not see this when I opened the package. You need some tweezers, bro, for them wigs. Elastic band, which is you can sew it in the back of the wig. And, of course, we have the wig. This is a 13 by 4, 150% density, 6-inch curly wig. Now, I know what you may be thinking. It does look crazy, but we are going to fix it up. I just want to tell you that I did pluck the wig and I bleached the knots, as you can see. I feel like I needed to leave the bleach on a little more, but that's okay. We'll fill the rest in with makeup. And yeah, I'm going to do a voiceover. So if you're interested in seeing me install this 6-inch curly wig, which is something very different I never had before. So I'm excited. So yeah, keep on watching. All right, guys. So let's get into this wig install. I did forget to mention that the wig had elastic bands sewed in already, so I didn't even use the adjustable straps. I just used the elastic band that was already sewed into the wig, which was really sturdy and really comfortable. I'm surprised. Usually I love to use my adjustable straps, but the elastic band surprisingly was enough, so that was a plus. All right, guys, so let's get into this here, y'all. So I'm gonna give my full honest review. When I first received the wig, right, my first thoughts was, what the hell is this? Okay, I'm like, what the hell is this? This is like a Tyler Perry wig. What is this? Like, I was so scared because I never had a wig like this before. And when I first took it out the package, I was just like, whoa, what am I gonna do? But y'all, this wig came out so good, okay? I was shook, okay? Just stay tuned. You will not be disappointed. Now, for the hair quality of this unit, I will say it could have been better. Now, it wasn't horrible, because if it was horrible, I wouldn't even be installing this wig. But I do feel like it could have been softer. I would have liked it to be more soft. Keep in mind, guys, you only have 6 inches of hair to work with anyway, so that's a plus. Quick, easy, and simple. Right, guys, so when it came to baby hairs for this look, I went for the more natural baby hairs. So my baby hairs are a lot shorter than usual. That's the key to natural baby hairs. The more shorter they are, the more natural they look. Also, I had to come off camera to do my baby hairs to really perfect them. So I don't have a whole clip of me doing my baby hairs, but if you guys been watching me for a while, you guys know how I do my baby hairs anyway. Also, y'all, TikTok put me on, so I had to put y'all on. Okay, the Ruby Kisses cream foundation that you find in the beauty supply store is the best thing for lace wigs. Do you see how it is blending in with my skin tone? Go get you some, girl.
At first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I give you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming no words, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when it get hot. I'm tired of going back and forth when we pissed off. Most of my friends done went through it and they stood tall. See, they gon' try and tell you what they think is good for you. Whole time they was plotting, man, I wish they was for you. You gotta watch your back, your front, your side, they disloyal. I gotta watch my crown, cause from birth I've been royal. And that's from the soil. Yeah. At first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust.
Alright, guys, so this is the finished look. I am in love with this hair. Now, I told y'all in the voiceover, like, I really did not know how this was gonna turn out. When I first received the hair, I was like, what the hell is this? Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna keep it a buck. But this is beautiful. I'll show you guys different headbands, you know, that you can use to spice up the style. But I really like mine like this, off to the side. It gives like rich, grown, sexy vibes to me. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this unit. Don't forget, all links will be in the description box. I definitely think this is worth the buy. It's something new, it's something different, and girl, it's something cute. Okay, so thanks again, Luvme Hair, for sending me this unit. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.